This is Emmy in her nightgown, and this right here is Macy in hers. I think they look good on them. Might need some of that plumber's tape.
Right now.
A little more.
I don't know, right?
That shit hurt.
Yeah.
I'm sure it's hurting her too. It's getting there.
Yeah, it's getting there.
Okay, wait a minute. Now, look at that. Turn that on, because it looks more like it's coming from up here.
Yeah, it will be. But it's filling up.
Hey, yeah, it's filling up.
Yep, filling up.
It's not leaking enough to worry about. Because it only has to have like 2 or 3 gallons.
No, how do you know when it's full though?
Liters.
Huh? How do you know it's
Well,
at the bottom? Somewhere. I gotta try it, that's all I know.
I don't know how to
Coming
work
out the bottom somewhere.
Oh, look how that's bent.
You can't have that.
Yeah,
bent
you
probably.
can't. That's got to be set in a different way.
That's where it's coming from.
Yeah.
Why the hell they put it like that for?
Well, I don't
Or
know.
you might
That's-
have to
Okay.
have it tight, and actually that's not that tight.
Alright, I wonder if we take this side
Hold on.
and put it right here.
That's
with
not that
this.
tight either though.
I bet it was supposed to be. You didn't look at it right. I bet you.
But I'm
Where's
gonna tell you-
where's the?
This ain't tight at all, Dad.
Yeah, but look how this is made. That would not. If you set it on, it's supposed to be a countertop. How's it gonna sit on a countertop when it bends it?
Alright, let me find the
You see
directions.
what I'm saying? Yeah, find the directions. I think you got it backwards.
I probably do.
Yeah, you probably do.
I ain't no telling what the directions are now. I didn't throw them away, I kept them.
I hope so.
Yeah, that's why I'm about to grab.
You didn't even open them.
I know. I've seen them do it. Put them on here.
Well, I don't think
That's
they
the
put
way
it
they
on that
done it.
way. I don't
Yeah,
think.
that's the way they done it. I'm telling you, that's the way they done it.
It's not leaking now.
Yeah, but when you put it on that counter, it is. Because it's going to bend that all the way back up.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's going to stop it going
It
in
wasn't
there.
tight.
She just finger tightened it, and that's what I done. But now, when the water goes out, it's going to come out here.
Well, yeah.
There, we'll fix it right there. Yeah.
But it was, I mean, it was loose. It wasn't that tight
Alright,
on
so
there.
still
at all.
going?
Yeah.
Ground. This appliance must be grounded.
Must be ground. How you ground it?
Well, it can sit on something. Still would be grounded. You get what I'm saying? Wouldn't it?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It's still grounded. As long as it's sitting on something.
Yeah, I mean, no, this thing that wasn't that tight at all, though.
Y'all had fingers
That's probably what was leaking.
Yeah.
Right.
I know,
But that's the way that woman done it. So that's the way I done it.
I got you. You might be able to keep it here.
I told him, like, a friend of mine, their mama had one. They had this little table that would move with the rolls.
Now, let's
And that's what they would do, you know what I mean?
It ain't showing me.
Huh?
See this? You see
Yeah.
how that comes straight down from the sink. It don't bend. It don't come out and bend. It bends up here.
So what?
You
But I
see
don't
this
see
right
how
here?
the-
No. You see this right here?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Okay.
See what I'm
it's
saying?
a-
Look.
Oh my God! If we just did all that
Look at
fucking
You
work.
see that? You see how straight that
Well, I'm
comes?
telling you what that woman did.
Well,
I know,
I'm
no,
not
I
telling
get what you're
done.
saying,
If
Dad.
You see that? That comes straight down. It don't,
I
come
see
out
what
and
you're
bend.
saying,
It
Dad.
bends going in there.
Alright, so they did it wrong.
Yeah.
We just tightened that
So-
motherfucker.
Well, who knows? She might have said, yo, I'm going to fuck with everybody. We're going to show them how to do it.
Yeah.
And done it backwards.
I'm telling you,
Just to fuck with you.
that's the way.
Yeah, because
Well,
he's
cause
talking, but
you
he's
watch
talking about,
YouTube and not
Well,
everybody.
this
Well,
right
I'm
here will
just
be
saying
flat
what it
on the
shows.
back
Yeah.
instead of having to bend.
Yeah.
I'm just showing you what it shows right there. But that
You're on the bar, so
No,
don't
no,
be
no.
laughing.
She watched something on
I know.
YouTube, so that woman done that shit to be a fucking stupid bitch.
Oh, well, let's not go that way.
Well, why would she have done it that way?
I don't know, but,
But okay, because she wanting to fuck with people.
What are
yeah.
you doing?
Okay.
That or she just
What are you
stupid.
doing?
If you do something to fuck with
That
people,
mama's
that's
truck.
stupid.
Yeah.
Is that mama's truck?
If you're trying to help somebody, that's
You
one
know what,
thing.
mama's truck?
Yeah.
But she wasn't trying to help nobody. She said you watched it, that's how she showed it.
It was together. And
Well, it's like a truck.
she just put that one on top.
Justin!
Oh, Lord, I'm coming. I was having a conversation. They said they didn't like the truck.
But that's the reason they have these.
That's what they did this time.
You told her what you did last time. I'm Might get lots of dirt.
That's it. Oh.
Yeah.
But if you want to connect the tap, you gotta do it that way.
Well, I only went by what she did.
I know.
But hey, lesson learned. Don't go buy everything you see on the
No,
internet.
look at the instructions. That's the reason they done it. Because if they do it, if they tell you to do it wrong, you can sue them.
Yeah.
You can't sue that woman on YouTube.
Yeah. Somebody's
We're struggling over here.
Probably because it's wet.
Yeah.
Let me call Jake and tell him I'll be a minute. So don't worry where I'm at.
Buddy, it was a dream. Come here, buddy. It was a dream. Nobody's here.
So you don't want
It was a dream.
to hold. Here, Rick. Just get these on there good. And we'll try it. Like I keep slipping.
Hey, I'm at my dad's. I've been here for a minute and I'm trying to help him get this
Yeah, you don't want to do that.
like a mini dishwasher thing put together before I leave. Alright. Well, yeah. Dad's got some more.
Probably ain't gonna be able to get it off. How tight we tightened it. $300 for nothing.
Alright,
Okay.
I'll be there shortly. What? I'm busy. What? Let me buy.
That's just ripping it apart.
Yeah.
We'll just have to leave it that way.
Okay.
I don't know what else to do.
Well, that.
I mean, it's ripping it. I can't hold it no tighter than what I'm trying to hold it.
Where's Timmy at? Timmy's got a little bit more strength.
Timmy, will you come help, please?
Get aggravated. I hate it when it's over. Here, you want me to try to hang on to it?
If my dad can it.
You know I'm too old too, and I can't do it.
I can't hold it tight enough. It's just ripping all that shit apart. Let's see if I can find those purple pliers. It might be better. I don't know.
Trying to see where I'm gripping.
Huh? Well, then dump out the sand.
Hold that right there. How you can. Nope. Just broke another one off.
Yeah.
Fuck!
Well,
I don't know.
I don't know. These may work.
Sorry.
Just my knees, it don't matter.
Come on, pick it up.
Trying to think.
You give it a roll.
We about could put a fucking one of those, the end of one of these on there. Well, no, ain't got one big enough. That's these wrench I had here.
Okay. You see how this goes?
It wasn't leaking. So if
It's
it
not
worked like
leaking,
this,
but we can't put it on that. That's the problem. We got. I mean, how we going to work it if it's going to bend the water and stop it from going in?
is it bending it? Is something
Well,
completely?
how about just pour
Or
the
you
water
can-
in it?
that, or you can
Yeah, you can.
lift it up a little bit to where it don't bend.
yeah,
and put something
do
behind it.
that.
She said the woman that she watched put it this part up here and this part here. And so we did that, and we tightened to make
You
it quit
got some
leaking. And now we
small
can
ones.
now it's
Yeah,
ripping
that's
this
what I was
all
gonna
apart.
look for.
We try to damn.
We had to tighten it because it was leaking, and now it's too
Yeah.
tight to get off. But all you gotta do is just put something
Put
under
that
it.
out. Put it underneath there.
Where the wind goes away.
Yeah. He gets too aggravated too quick.
I can't
Wait,
roll right now.
he can't do anything.
Now, you want to try to run it for a second?
Yeah,
Let's see if we can. Now, I don't.
I tried it. Well, you didn't make it on the bed. I did. I don't know pretty well. There it is.
Oh, we gotta have water on.
I have water on.
Oh, you got cold water. Oh. That's hot water.
It's going. It's not the best power, but it might be because it ain't filled up yet.
Yeah, it's gotta fill up.
Yeah.
It's supposed to have a light. And there's dry,
Yeah.
standard, eco. I don't know.
It's not leaking though.
No.
There you go. We got it, Dad. Nothing's leaking. What we did is put a piece of 1,500 to lean it up. A little bit to hold it straight.
It's working! We ain't got no dishes in it, but hey.
We was just testing it out ahead of time.
Yeah. Okay, this right here should.
That boy be have a drink. Yeah, it'll be drink.
Put the dishes in there.
Hey, put no dishes in there now.
We'll wait until it gets done. Looks like it takes an hour. That's the timer. But that's a strong. You can do other. You can do standard, like if you don't have much stuff. I think.
Yeah.
You got sand all over your hand.
Oh, who cares? It's gonna get worse than that.
I gotta use white. I'm done waiting.
But yeah, you might still want to put that washer. It looks like it's leaking right here. So y'all, later on, y'all might have to put the washer right here because
I
it
would
is.
say 9 chances out of 10, I'll just get rid of that and just put water in the top.
Okay, gotcha.
That's probably what I'll end up doing. And then that way, I don't have to worry about that. I mean, I think it would be a whole lot more safe.
Okay.
I'd have to pull it all the way out to get the hits. But I think it'll work. Alright.
Wife is not gonna do it.
Says it'll automatically check all supplies appropriate. The indicators, like this is right here, the faucet, or there's another one that looks like the pour thing, right here. Come red, you need a tap or to fill the tank. So if you see this, the faucet thing,
Yeah.
or the jug shake thing,
Yeah.
you need to add water to it. It'll tell you, and it's right there.
But it does pretty good.
Yeah. After 5 times checking there's no water, it'll stop and you go to standby mode. You can push pause to force pause machine. And you can add Tupperware during washing. You can add something to it.
Let's see what it does.
You want to put something in there and see kind of how it does without nothing?
Yeah, let's put some stuff in it.
What's up, baby?
But we ain't got no dish soap in there, so.
I'm just to rinse off.
We gotta buy the dish stuff for it.
Yeah, we're just
Yeah,
kind of
I
doing
don't
a
think
test
it's sitting
run.
there.
We're playing.
Yeah, I know, that's fine. I'm just saying, I don't think it's sitting there.
Hey, if they come out clean, they gotta be better than what I can see. Let's see, I think it goes this way.
Oh, look at
There's a washer. And these
Yeah, it's good enough for me.
Mama, close it.
And then, hey.
Look, it's good and rinsing them. See what happens.
And then if you hold the power button for 3 seconds, it'll stop it completely. But if you hit pause, you can add stuff to it or whatever. If you decide, I guess if you just something you want to add to it.
Yeah.
And then you touch dry to add 73 hours circular wind to keep air fresh.
Audrey bought us in a plate to put in it.
Oh, go put that back outside, baby. Thank you. You put it up there, baby.
Yeah,
Thank
we
you,
don't
though.
want to wash that.
But if you don't want to hand dry them, I guess, you can do it by air dry. It looks like touch dry to add 73 hours circular wind to help air fresh inside the machine.
Yeah.
But, I mean,
I'm not gonna do
it
that.
doesn't flip that ball. That black ball flipped.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Let's look at it. I don't know if you can tell it or not. That black bowl right there is flipped up. That right there didn't work too well.
What probably didn't place right.
Yeah, it'll be alright.
Okay.
We ain't gonna worry about it. I guess that woman didn't know what she was doing, and she wasn't gonna show what she did. That she messed up. You know?
It ain't done yet.
I
It's
know
got about
that.
an hour and a half.
But like I said, she didn't want people to know she messed up.
Close that. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. If you do it the other way, like that, I don't know if reuses the water that it's in, kind of cycles it like a filter or not. But I don't know.
No, it'll let the water out. And each time I wash dishes, I gotta have new clean water. See, like it only gives us like
I know, but what I'm saying is,
half of this, and then rinses with the other half.
oh, okay.
At least that's the way I understand it.
What is this?
I don't know, soap, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's kind of the function. You do standard, you do hot, cold, hot water washing, cold water rinsing. It's like an hour and a half, 69, a little over an hour. And that's how much detergent, that's the temperature, I guess it'll be. And it'll take 60 minutes to dry. Unless you want to do it the other way.
No, I'm not sure about drying them.
And then quick, like if you only get probably have one or two things, it'll just take 30 minutes. And then strong, which is I think the one I did, it's 89 minutes. But we could probably switch it to quick.
There it goes. Water's going out. It'll be okay.
What you two doing?
We know it works.
Yeah.
I think that's just why I opened it, that's the way you started it. Yeah. But there's
Mm-hmm.
I don't show you that.
Right.
the quick would be like 30 minutes.
Yeah, I believe I like quick better.
Them two are
And, but I mean, if you're just doing small loads, that probably
Yeah.
could be what you do. Might take a little bit more, a little tedious, but I don't know how more powerful and how.
Yeah, so this right here is more for like a 4 family.
Uh-huh.
And
Oh, okay, so you'll have to clean the filter every so often probably. That's showing you how to do it.
yeah, it's
That's
down
simple.
inside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you do clean spray arms and all that. Make sure it washes there. Kind of neat. I wish we had paper. I wish we kind of had it to get those. We have some pots and pans that, well, you have to do one at a
I
time.
have to do pots of pans by hand.
Yeah.
I'm not afraid to do them by hand. I mean, let me tell y'all, take the dishes in there and show them.
Okay, and here's the fault code. It shows, I guess, on that screen right there, the code, and my dad just needs to look in here. Yeah. So there's overflow and drain and temperature. Massage, heat and pressure.
Oh, massage my dishes? No, I'm gonna get jealous now. I like
I don't
to be
know.
massaged. I don't want my dishes being massaged.
But yeah. It's pretty simple. Yeah. Don't lose that.
I probably should have watched a couple other videos.
Well, you can probably, look it up on YouTube at some point and see
What's what.
I mean, all you gotta do is look up the name of the thing and say how to use.
I should have went to the factory and looked at it.
Alright, y'all about ready? Y'all need to spend their time with Granny Papa.
Oh yeah, they did.
You can't, but it's cold tomorrow.
They left. They left.
Hate 'em. Alright, now. Here's the flowers he had. I gotta put this rinse back. I don't know where y'all
I
want
just
to.
leave them right there. Hurt anything. Oh yeah, they don't have to put that back here. Put it in the dirty clothes.
I don't like it. I just stay here 1 hour.
You ain't staying here. No,
You
go to
got
school
been here
tomorrow.
1 hour.
Probably.
Yeah.
You gotta get home, get to bed. You got school. We gotta get up early in the morning, take me to work. First aid.
It looks like that's pretty good.
Oh yeah, it looks like it's got good pressure.
I wish that light would stay on. Oh, we're not turning on. Or maybe before use. Oh, it's a tape. That tape that was right here.
Oh, okay.
So it's not no big deal. Inspection, keep those standards.
Yeah,
It had something to do with a light.
no, I think it just stays on for a few seconds
And
whenever.
that's it. Fruit and new fruit.
So we can see what it's doing at first. But in that book it shows you all the different times and stuff. But you know, a video on YouTube might explain how more.
I don't know. I don't think I want to go back to a video on
Well, if it's not
I mean, they
like
got this wrong.
I know, but if it can tell you probably how powerful it is. In that book, it
Yeah,
only
they got this right here
in the-
wrong.
in the book it only tells
The
you.
water he comes from.
Quit, Audrey. That could tell you maybe more if it's more pressure for one than the other, or
Yeah. You feel it's a little bit warm.
well, you got hot water. That's why.
This one right here is one thing.
Oh yeah. Because that hot water's in it.
I'm glad it is.
What are you doing? All right.
I probably what I ought to do is start using this up here.
Yeah.
I believe I do have to use this.
Yeah, but what I'm saying
And
is,
then that way
I don't know if you do it more than, I don't know, what I'm saying is when it washes it, I don't know if it keeps using the same water when you do it that way instead of this way. Or if you have to keep filling it up throughout the cycle.
I don't know, but I have to figure it out. What knows that right there say?
What is that, okay?
Please remove large food scraps before putting the tableware in the machine. Please place tableware as photo shows. So the plates need to be facing like this.
Yeah. Like the way I
And then the
think
bowls, I think it's bowls, would need to be like, plates need to be like this, bowls like this. Oh no, them are plates too, I think. I don't know. 'Cause that's bowls right there. I don't know, I can take a picture of it. Let me take a picture of it on there.
It ain't gonna do me no good, I can't see it. I wouldn't take it off there just to need it.
Oh, I love you. But like the silver, like the spatulas and all that, you know, lay them flat down.
Yeah. The silverware thing's up here on top.
Can't believe that, because yeah, it's showing the same thing here for the elbow cover.
I can't see that, that's true. You know, I can only go by what I've seen.
Says, as the photo shows, insert the elbow. The position of the drainage pipe should not be 30 millimeters higher than the machine position. But you're draining to the sink, so it don't matter.
Yeah.
Do not use usual detergent. Please use special detergent for dishwasher. Do not cover water tank lid dissolves. Do not open the door when the machine is working. Please push, yeah. Just make sure if you open it before it stops, push that pause button.
Oh no, I need a bath.
What are you doing? Quit! Go. Go get Papa Love. Mess with stuff you know you ain't supposed to be messing with.
Shame on you. Just cut it off. Just cut it. It's not, look at the box I got over there.
Oh, is that what it came out?
Yeah.
I can't. I
It's not no big deal.
have
Did you get Papa Love? You didn't get Papa Love?
Go give Grandpa some love.
Give me a kiss. Go get Papa Love. We're going bye-bye. We get back home.
All right. Now, oh, Mama Cat wants out. Gotta let her out. That's one of the mainstream. There we go. Okay. This is the second one that I washed. Now, it's got an air dryer and it's still got 17 minutes on it, but I don't care nothing about the drying. What I did, put my dirtiest pan in here. Oh my gosh, look how clean that is. That looks clean. You should have seen it. It was really dirty. It's the one that I made the peach cobbler in, and that looks good. And it's already dry. I can put that bad baby up. But what I've been doing is putting them all, the dishes that I washed and needs to dry, right over here, and they can dry. And I've tried, no, we cannot put these thin plastics in here. Look how that right there is. I'll use it one more time and then I'll throw it away. I use these for the cat's dishes. And, yeah, this right here has to be thrown away too. I'll wash them by hand. Alright, so the next thing, we gotta get paper out of here. Alright, now, I'm gonna take this right here out. And then I'm going to pull this out, which you have to turn it to the right, or to the right. And I'm looking down in here, and I don't see any food or anything that needs to come out. So I'm going to put it back in there. Alright, let me see. I want to so now I'm going to put me one of these down in here where it's supposed to go, and that right, the thing that I just pulled out, and put it back in there. Put my rack back here and see what I can do about putting my bowls. I don't want that big old chunk in there. Get rid of it. And see what I can do about putting more stuff in here. I think this right here is going to be too big. Yep, it'll fit. Alright, we can leave that in there. Alright, so what we'll want to take that back out. And let's see, this right here, I'm about to have a whole thing for it. And hopefully, I think I'm going to like that one better. And start putting some dishes in here. There we go. Let's see, I think I'll put this over here. I don't know if y'all can see me over here. Alright, now I'm putting my silverware this way. I put it the other way, and it didn't do too good. So, and I don't know if that one will work. Let's see if I can put that over here, and that over here. That will work. And, see, that, wait. Try to put a level in there. Now, the big silverware like this, I don't know if y'all can see me. See if I can see you. Yeah, I think right there will be better. What are you doing, little man? Alright. And then here we got this. Now, I don't know too much about these, but we're going to put this in here, and hopefully, let's see. Oh yeah, it'll work. It should go in there. And then we're going to put this one back there. See if I can't get it. This thing right here is nasty as all get out. Find a spot for it. You can't see, things get dirty and you can't tell it's dirty. That thing was filthy. I wish I'd have got rid of it years ago. So I can't put some more stuff in here. that's going to be too big. We'll throw it down in there. I want to find silverware and try to put silverware in here. I'm not going to worry about weighing it as long as it's on its side. And can't put the plastic in there. Do I have a place for a plate? No, I think that's it. And I want to put this in there to get it clean because it's dirty. Alright. So, now, let's throw this thing up here. Alright, that's, I'm not going to like that. Alright, let's see what we're going to do here. I think if I take this, put it that way, put that down there. The other one's going through pretty good. Oh, got a crick out or something in there. There we go. There we go. We got it. Yes. Now we got that. And we're going to close it up. Now, this is the thing. They said that it takes 2 to do it. But what it takes 3. It takes 3 of them. And I gotta stand up here to do it. Now, turn it on. Gotta pour it slow, because if you don't, it'll go all over the top and down in the back. Now I turned it on so you can hear a beep. So I'm going to be quiet so y'all can hear that beep. But it takes 3 of these, not 2. Alright, this is what I think I'm going to do. I'm going to bring it over here to listen for the beep because it's not all that heavy. It's not a loud one. Y'all can't see nothing except for just hear the water. So I'm going to turn it off till I get the water full. Alright, here we go. I'm going to do it kind of slow. Okay, you hear that. Now here's how much water I've got left over. Now I'm not going to pour it out, I'm going to leave it. I'm going to start it to going. Now, let's see, I don't know if you can see it or not. It's filling the water up down here, and pretty soon it's going to tell me I need more water in it. And I got to finish putting it in there. Put this on. But the first time I done it, yeah, right here, I don't know if you can see it or not, where my finger at, right there, it's saying it needs more water. Alright, so I'm finished putting it in there. Finished putting it in there. And then, there it goes. Look at that, that little ball was flopping around. Alright. Put it on pause. Open it up. Let's see if I can. put it in there where it'll stay down in there. If it don't stay, I'm not gonna worry about it. And that's not gonna stay. Alrighty. Look, you ought to see this one, man. This right here was the dirtiest thing that I had, and it is clean.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did a real good job?
Did a good job.
So is it clean everything? Is it good?
Yep. So far, so good. That right there was my first load, and that was my second load.
Oh, that's all that you can fit in it.
Yeah, that's all I fit in it.
And once you get caught up, it shouldn't be as hard.
No.
How long does it take to do one load?
I got it on 30 minutes.
It seems to be doing pretty good on 30.
Oh, it's doing good on 30.
How much water? Just one of those?
No, it takes 3 of these. 3 of them. And like I was showing them, part of the water didn't... It tells you when it's full, but then whenever you stop and all, then it'll say it needs more water. So then you pour the rest of it in there. So it's better to go ahead and pour all of it in there and be done with it. Alright.
I mean, if you put too much in there, it's just going to come out the top, I guess.
Yeah. Alright. We know what they look like and everything, and I'm going to call it quits right here. And if I wash the rest of the dishes tonight, yippee. And if I don't, yippee. And I also want to let Heather know that she did a good job. Whether I screwed it up or not, it still turned out good. And I appreciate her help.